So here we are leaving Six Flags, and we're trying to, hey, Zachary, stay out of the puddles. Feed some of our pizza scraps and leftovers to the Seagulls. So far I threw out the pizza crust, but no takers. That probably has to do with the fact that Noah's running right near them. Yeah. Guys, get away from the water now!
Pizza crust is the only taker.
Yeah, my aim was not the best.
I packed this for the hotel.
Try and throw some single things out there and see if it does anything.
Maybe we should leave now. Nobody's okay.
It doesn't seem to matter. I don't see the birdies.
I thought someone just threw a fry at me.
All the seagulls are that way.
So we got Zoe.
There they are. Aw, there's. I think someone else is feeding them.
Seagulls, there's food for you.
Try throwing something out that way.
Can I get some food? Can they have some dinner?
So throw the birdies. We're trying to get the birdies to come over here. Look, they're coming. Here they come.
Just don't throw anything out.
All right, here they come.
There we go.
All right, keep throwing stuff to them, guys. Pull some nachos out from under there. Throw some of those.
Can you?
Hit that one.
You hog.
That bird's a hog.
That bird's a hog.
Yeah, throw some of the nacho chips. You can throw a nacho chip to them, Amelia. You gotta throw them far enough.
Oops, that's
Guys, don't go near the stuff you throw. Will you?
Guys, we're gonna get attacked by seagulls.
You know there are cars.
You guys are gonna get attacked by seagulls.
I like being attacked.
You need to throw the chips way out.
All of these.
Yeah,
He won't eat that. Throw my frisbees.
there they go.
Oh, mine's rolling.
Mine's rolling too. Hey, look, it landed right by the seagull.
Mine went all the way over there and it's still going. Mine is blowing away. Oh, finally. All the way over there. Oh, God. I thought I was going to do it. Yeah.
Guys, don't throw them right now while they're doing it.
Like this pizza wet. The
The
seagull is
seagull
eating
over there.
it in the puddle. I guess he likes
Just
the
threw
pizza
the
wet.
pizza in the puddle and now he's eating it.
I guess the seagull likes his pizza wet. That one's just leaving it though.
Yeah. Oh, look.
He likes soggy pizza, I guess. That one's still eating it.
Oh, he's
trying to drag it.
He's eating it in the puddle. You can't see him that well, but that little white dot over further this way is
That bird's drinking
seagull
from the puddle.
eating a pizza in a puddle.
That bird's drinking from the puddle.
That bird's drinking the water. The very questionable water. Oh, there he goes.
Why is he flying away? There's a big pizza crust right there.
The one in the water is still eating it.
They're still eating. I guess he's hungry.
Yep, he's eating the pizza in the water. Nice and soft now. And some other seagulls are coming to get the chips, I think.
I killed him. No, they're all eating. I killed him.
Well, that one's only interested in soggy pizza.
Hey, you know what? We saw a hoggy seagull who ate all the fries.
He did.
And he didn't let any other seagulls. So look at my beautiful drawing.
Bye, seagull.
It's beautiful. Can you tell what this says?
Nope.
Well, it says orb. It's very fancy writing. Joker. Sorry. What? So what? Well, the Joker doesn't care. It's very.
He's still eating the pizza in the puddle.
He probably doesn't care.
He's so weird.
He's still Look away for a second. 10 hours later.
Still eating the pizza.
Look away for a second.
Well, I think we've had enough of a white dot eating pizza. Did you guys have fun?
520 seconds later.
I had fun too. Oh, there's another one.
I wish I could go on the Joker.
Not eating the soggy pizza though.
Drinking the soggy
the
one.
window on this side. I'm going to throw the pizza.
Oh my.
Wow.
Here they come.
That would be taken.
The seagulls. The birds.
Oh, one landed. All that. One's
Two
coming.
landed.
Come on.
We're ignoring it.
Hey, look, that stupid one's in the puddle again. I think he's still eating.
No, wait, that one's the one that eats the soggy
that
pizza.
one was
He's
the one
guarding
that-
his pizza.
That one was the one that ate the water.
He's guarding his soggy pizza.
Sarah, is he gonna attack us if he tries to eat this pizza?
Probably.
No, he left.
Oh, he left it. He left it. Oh, he's coming to take the other pizza and make it soggy. Oh, no, there he goes. Bye, Seagull.
Bye, Fred.
Fred, did you guys have fun today?
He went to wait.
Whoa.
A second. Bye, stupid.
I had fun today.
Bye, stupid. So that seagull's name's Stupid.
Everyone say bye.
Bye. Bye. The seagulls are funny. I think
The seagulls are camera shy. Every time I videotape them, they fly away, except for that one who dropped his crust and came back. And now he doesn't know what to do.
he's scared.
Yeah, that's why. Oh, another one came. Oh no! He's gonna steal his crust.
Actually,
Nope,
no.
nope.
Doesn't look like he will.
Nope, it's okay. Oh, here comes another one.
And another one, hopefully. Yes, no, it's soggy pizza. It's
The soggy pizza!
You realize that might be stupid again.
They're all fighting.
Maybe that's stupid.
Right? Maybe. Oh look, that one's soggy too. It's dripping.
Oh, that must be hard. He's gonna drop it.
Oh, there goes one.
He just.
Ew, it's so soggy.
It broke apart.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
That is so gross.
Stupid is camera shy. He loves looking at the camera.
And
Stupid. Wow.
eating the pizza crust.
Oh my god. Uh-oh. They're trying.
To fight.
They're competitive. They're so competitive that
No,
one's
that one's
pecking the
just
ground.
sad.
Yeah, that one's sad.
Oh, don't you dare.
He wants some.
Don't
soggy.
take that soggy pizza. Oh, he's drinking the water.
No, he's eating the soggy pizza crumbs in the water.
Oh, uh-oh.
He's gonna eat it. Behind your back,
no.
stupid.
Don't you dare.
Don't look behind your back, stupid.
No, he's just not eating it.
That's eat a little
He's
bit.
stupid.
I thought we were going to get in trouble for feeding them.
Eat a
Oh,
little bit.
he's dancing now. Oh, he's
Eat
it. That one's mad. Oh, they're fighting.
Give him it back. Stupid had it first.
Uh-oh.
They're fighting. He got it. He got
I
it.
gave you the keys, you know.
Fly away, stupid.
Before he takes it. Take it, run. Run.
I'm gonna run.
He's fighting.
No, the other one stole it again.
Uh-oh.
Sarah, looks like he's still walking away.
Oh, no. It ripped in half.
Good job.
Good job. Ripped in half and he blew off.
Mom, it's ripped in half and stupid flew away, so they didn't.
Okay, guys, let's say bye again.
That one must be hard because he ate it already. He ate the pizza already.
Bye, Seagulls.
Bye, seagulls. Sarah, say bye to Zach.
Oh, he just ate all that pizza
Sarah,
in
say
one
bye.
bite.
Bye, camera. Sarah, say bye to Zach.
Bye, Skeleton. Bye, Six Flags.
Bye, Six Flags. Mom was driving. That isn't very.
Coming back for more soggy pizza, but there's none left.
Mom was driving. That isn't very.
Bye, Seagulls. Say bye, everyone.
Oh, there's a little French fry.